Well, it's another adventure. This is another rustic road I'm doing. I got plans to do a couple of today, maybe about 4. I kind of figured out how to get them into Google Maps, so this should be better than the last run. This is Rustic Road number 3, which is by Menominee. I have been on this one before, and this one actually ends in a spot where you go directly to Rustic Road number 4. So I'll get 2 of them done at the same time, so I can stone 2 birds at once. That's kind of nice. Beautiful day out. It's upper 70s. I had to shed my jacket. I was getting awful warm, but she's looking pretty nice here. Now, I didn't get onto this one directly in the middle. I actually kind of got into it maybe about a quarter of the way in. Just the way the roads worked and the way Google Maps took me in here. That's okay. I'll get the bulk of it, I guess. And as you can see, this is rural America here. This is farmland. Ooh, big hill. That's impressive. And this one is paved all the way through. So a pretty simple one. I haven't really spent a lot of time on the motorcycle this year. Been busy with other stuff, but as of yesterday, I sold the business, so I am technically self-unemployed again. So I decided, well, I'm just gonna go do some riding around for a change. And now that I'm not in the business and I don't have to advertise, I'm going to be honest and say I'm so happy I have one of the trikes I built. It is so comfortable and so smooth going down these roads. And, some of these are going to be gravel and I'm not going to have any trouble with it. I got a lot of feedback from customers and different people that have seen my videos on Endeavor trikes, and all been very, very, very nice. And virtually every one of them said they really enjoyed the trikes I built for them, so that's pretty nice. So this is kind of coming to the end of this one already. I gotta get a picture of the sign here. So let me see, I gotta get over here where I can take a picture. Last time I came in right here, I went through this one. So let me do a snapshot here. Okay, then we're going to move over to Rustic Road number 4, which is right here. Let's see if there's a sign there. Yeah, there is. There's one over there, but I want to get this one. Oh, this one looks gravel. Okay, we got her. Well, let's see what this one is like. Like I say, I've been on this before, and I think this one is a little more woodsy. I didn't bother washing my bike because I knew this was going to happen, that I was going to be on gravel, so not a big deal. You know, that's another advantage. Now I don't have to keep my bike clean all the time because, you know, it really was kind of an advertisement for me. And now it's a utility vehicle. I can actually drive it, get it dirty, and just tell people, you know, I used to build them, now I drive them. So pretty nice road, kind of a sudden curve here. Very smooth. Yeah, this is a pleasure driving down these nice gravel roads. And as you can tell, there's lots of corn in the fields yet. It's September 9th. So we're having a streak here of some pretty nice weather. It's going to be dry and in the 80s all week. And today is Monday, so the Vikings won yesterday, looked pretty good. And Green Bay won, which we don't like to see, actually, to tell you the truth, but don't tell anybody. And I think the Lions won. So Central Division is pretty much tied up right now. I think the Bears won also. And as you can see, we got some color in that there tree. There'll be more. Now we're getting into the woodsy part. Well, I think I finished this one. That's 5. I do one more, I get a badge from the state. I'm going to try to do as many as I can this year. You know, there's like, Wisconsin is divided into 4 territories. So I'm doing kind of the mid to north west right now. And the next one I'm going to do is probably the southwest. And I may not do any more this year, but I will probably in spring do the southeast and then the northeast. I think there's 106, 109 rustic roads. And I know people have done them all. And I'm looking forward to getting them all done too. Well, this is pretty country in here. You know, anytime you get hills and valleys like this, you know, you get a little bit of a diversity. I'll have to look at the map and see which ones I'm going to do next. I think I'm kind of working my way, from here I'm working north. I gotta find a gas station here in the next 50 or 60 miles. Oh, Rustic Road goes straight ahead and right. Well, how can that possibly be? Now what do I do? I can go rustic both ways. Well, I think this is the way because the sign's right there. This is nice. I don't have to follow that truck, which was spreading a little extra dust my way. Hey, you don't want to be going too fast in here. These corners kind of sneak up on you, and they're pretty sharp. Oh, this is really comfy in here, nice and cool. I kind of got this tunnel of trees. Oh, we got to go up a hill here. Kind of a little creek next to me there. Well, that's quite the hill. Oh, I should have done the scenic overlook. Perhaps. Well, I'm at the end of the road here, I guess. I guess I've seen it all. All right, this is the end. Like Jim Morrison says, this is the end, my friend. So now I gotta see what's next on the agenda.